what I'm saying. I'm trying to get hold of something.
It's snowed even more. You now can't even see the tyre track. It's quite deep. So hopefully we'll be alright. Well, it appears we don't want to. Absolutely terrible. I can't wait to get to my destination. Oh, it's big bits now. Nice and clean now. Welcome back to another video. I'm running low on water, so that's why I didn't have a shower. I usually just have a shower, but I'm going to a tap today, and we're going to a jet wash. They should be at the same place. Hopefully they both are in order. That's the thing with going to services. You know they're there, but are they turned on? Are they frozen? That's why I'm going now before the deep freeze happens, because we're forecast many minuses. So I need to fill up water, and the van needs a jet wash because I ain't done it since November when I was at my mate's, so needs doing. Poor old Rose is not liking the salt, and yesterday one of the mud flaps fell off and it's all just sludge stuck to the rear cross member. Not too bad because it only happened yesterday. I've got my spare and I'm going to a jet wash tomorrow, so it's all kind of happened, but yeah, so I'll put a new mud flap on this morning when the snow stops. Anyway, I'll show you in a bit when it gets light. And now to do the washing up. It's never ending, eh? I've said it before, but I'll just say it one more time. I used to do the washing up all the time. I just go through loads of water and I don't mind washing up, but when you're out in the middle of the nowhere and you're limited to water and you might be stuck here, I've got half a tank, I've got 50 litres, but I'm calling that low, you know, that's only a few days worth. I like to be prepared. I don't know if it comes across, but I do. I like to be prepared. I've got obviously all my stuff on the back. I bought a snow shovel the other day. There's not a lot I don't have. There is a few things I could do with, but you know, some people don't have anything. I'm more prepared than, that's the way I put it. You know, you can't have everything. I really need to edit some videos, but the drone took a hit yesterday, as I said, and one of the arms fell off. So this is the current state of it. They're actually quite simple for anyone that has one. If you look here, it's just 3 cables per motor. One will be a negative, one will be a positive, and one will be a speed sensor. So literally just 3, and it goes white, black, red. And as you can see, these 2 have snapped, and the red one snapped there, and it is still on the arm. Also a small piece of plastic in there snapped, but as I need to get the soldering iron out anyway, you can just see the little crack there. That piece is actually separate. I should be able to kind of melt it back in. I was going to glue, but I don't have any good glue, so I'm going to try just melting it. I don't think it even needs the 3 screws. It'd just be more fragile, and I'll try not to fly it into. Good to know the plough's coming by. Wow. I've just stepped outside, and there is, James told me his name yesterday, Callum. Oh yeah, if you didn't watch last week's video, it's basically a continuation. So yeah, there's Callum. And look at those mountains, man. It's constantly this place. Loads of snow, nice dry snow as well. There's Rose. Tell you, this little valley, it's something else. snow is beautiful. It's just powdery goodness. Oh, so lovely. Mountains, valley, stag, van, and more mountains. I'm going to be heading off that way later today, which is along the same way I was going, because Matt went back that way to go to Inverness, but I want to head the same way. Well, that's the way the map's taking me as well. Got my burner fluid on again, my chimney extension, because it was quite windy. The van so needs a jet wash. It's looking so rusty. So rusty. When I get back down to my mates in March, it's all getting jet washed and re-lanigarded again, just to protect it from the water in the spring, summer and autumn. Anyway, I'll leave you there with some shots of this, and I'll catch you guys later. Sun's coming out now. I want to put the drone up, but I don't want to scare him, so I probably won't do it unless he's not here. But there he is, still. It's like half an hour later. Oh, so cool. Sun's out. Sun is out. Oh, would you just look at that? Can you get much better? Oh, I'm going to sit on the roof. I'm going to sit on the roof. And there might be a bit too much snow up there, actually. Again, the weather just rolls in so quickly here. We've now got a snowstorm 5 minutes later. Sorry, you can't see any of that. There you are. It's all coming in, so that's shutting. Quick snowstorm again. Blizzard. Oh, it does change so quickly up here. I haven't wiped the condensation off my window yet, I can't really be asked. Ah, there he is, hiding behind the mound from the snow. He's wise. So, hello everyone, I'm going off on a walk to Ling Down Hut, I think it said. And I've already picked a terrible route. I thought this was a path. It keeps snowing so much, even my other footprints are now almost gone. Anyway, this is the way we're going. This path is quite snowy. I went on a 15-minute walk, that's all, 15 minutes, and it was sunny when I left, and now it's snowing. There's the sun. This is a proper winter wonderland here. Snow, low clouds, occasional bit of sun. I'm off to somewhere I can't remember the name of, to do the jet wash and fill up water, as I said. I think I said. So yeah, I've also got to fix that mud flap and have lunch. So got a few things to do, and then yeah, we'll hit the road. Callum's still here. Look at the blue skies over there. Oh yeah, and no, I didn't put that mud flap on. I kind of couldn't be asked. I'll do it at the jet wash. Lovely snow, lovely views. I mean, just look over there. How beautiful is that? With the snow and everything. My camera screen's playing up, so sorry if the exposure's wrong. The jet wash is in order at Loch Carron Garage, not the Pace down there, which has a water tap. I think they also have a water tap, but I'm going to use the water tap down there because it looks easier to use. We'll see actually. And then, yeah, they were really helpful in there, seeing if it was working. It was turned off, turned it on, and then they were like, it shouldn't be frozen. I checked the tap down there, it wasn't frozen, and the sun's out, so yeah, let's quickly jet wash the van and get that mud flap back on. Okay, so you have a £2 minimum to start the wash, so I'll probably just put £2 in, jet wash this side, then spin the van round, put another £2 in. So that ain't too bad. We'll see how long it lasts. So, I've just jet washed it, and none of it there. I didn't see all this up here. Look what it does. But I'm not too worried about that because that's alley and the floor of the box, you know. But yeah, all nice and jet washed now, looking much cleaner. All the wheels done. I did the back too, which was so grey from all the salt. So yeah, if you need a jet wash and it's not below freezing, and fuel and a little shop, Loch Carron Garage is the place to come. Water, jet wash, fuel and supplies. So yeah, thumbs up to them. It's a relief to have water again because it's just one of those things that you kind of can't live without and you can't necessarily always get, so get it when you can. To leave, and now another blizzard comes. Blizzard, anyone? Well yeah, this is going to be one interesting drive, I think. Look at the road already. Yeah. Right, we've got an hour-ish, hour and 6 minutes, so it's probably an hour and a half in these road conditions, so at least, look at it. But yeah, let's enjoy the scenery and go on a drive. Here then. Okay, well thank you. Now they're turning around. Thing is, I can't go an alternative route. Oh joys. They're going for it. 2 more. Some turn around, some don't. That's the interesting thing. I don't think the hill's too bad. It's just they can't get past the lorry, and the lorry can't get up the hill. No, I don't know. They've both spoke to the pickup. I'm just waiting until like the lorry gets out of the way. Like, you ain't getting past it.
Oh, the joys of Scottish. This isn't A road as well. For those that don't know, this is what Scottish A roads look like. They're single track with many passing places.
So I hope you can see me because my screen's not working very well. But basically, there's fucking loads of them now. Just there. If you look over there, one's trying to get past all the others for some random reason. And then, God knows what they're all doing queuing there, because there's a lorry stuck.
Oh, would you look at that? There's even more of them. And they ain't going any fucking where. Oh dear. We've got no one behind me now. Nobody behind me. They're just all there. I don't know what you're queuing for, because now the lorry can't reverse.
I'm alright, I've just topped up on water, topped up on diesel, I've got wood and I've got food. So I might go make a cup of tea in the back. Seeing as there's not much else to do. And currently, because there's no traffic, the road is getting quite a lot more snowy, as you can see, because that was like a road with the amount of traffic going past. And now we've got people approaching, more people. Oh, it's a Tesco van. It's like the True Blue Travellers, but Tesco. But look at all the snow coming down. The plough can't even get past now. But I might go up, because this other guy gives me something to do, eh? See if it's passable. And I'm sure you guys want to see the action and make a good YouTube video.
Right, well let's go see what's happened. Lovely waterfall. Not a bad place to be stuck. I can turn there as well, so I'm not too worried. If I have to, I can turn. Oh, looks like a recovery vehicle. Well, it's got flashing lights. This is eventful. Okay, now the Volvo's going to give it a go. Oh. Okay, next 4x4 will go up. So, cool. That's 2.
That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to get hold of some cunt to get in here. Who the hell are you supposed to get hold of?
This is interesting. Now they all start going down. Great. This Tesco guy behind reckons, and he's got a very similar sized van, so. Okay, well I think I'm the test subject. This time we are actually going. Oh no, that was the test subject. Vehicles to pass me. Right, we're back on the main roads where they're nicely ploughed and gritted, so we can actually make some time. Not that time's that important, I just fancy some dinner. Right, I'll see you guys at the spot. I think we've found quite the spot. You come all the way down, you can park just there where that white van is. I don't know if you can make out, again the screen's broken, but look at the beast, look at it. There's this weird tarmac thing. Yeah, it looks great. I reckon that van's got a wood burner. I can smell some burning. Oh, can you see the moon up there? Again, I don't know if you can, but here's good old Rose. This is quite a spot though. It's got, like, as I was saying, it's got a layer there, the road's all the way over there, and then you just drive in all the way here. Shouldn't get stuck. Again, the Michelins are thumbs up, great tyres so far, and I'll probably catch you guys tomorrow. We've had lots of fresh snow. See, the back of my van. I jet washed it yesterday. The wood's still looking good. But yeah, quite a bit more snow. Hopefully, because this is slightly uphill, hopefully I can reverse out alright. I'm sure Rose will do it fine. Yeah, what a lovely place to wake up. I don't really want to say where I am because it's so easy to find, and it's probably on Park for Night, and it's so nice. So you can find it if you want, but I ain't telling you where. I'm probably going to go for a little walk down to that lock there, follow this road down. So yeah, see you out there. More proper snow. To get like a day or two of it is like something, and then like I think we're settled in for a good few days, possibly a week of nice snow. It's just lovely. Yeah, so off to Fort William today. Got to do laundry, fun stuff. It's kind of a chores week, isn't it, with the adventure of last night as well. The roads look alright, judging by everyone passing by. And as I say, hopefully I get out of here alright. It's lovely. Absolutely loving it. As I say, there is company over there. They've definitely got a chimney. But I haven't seen anyone yet. The snow! It's in my eyes. But it's a bit rusty for a modern van. I think it's like a 2010. I keep having to remind myself that I'm now just like living in Scotland and have been for almost 2 months now. Time flies for one, and for two, I forget kind of where I am and how far I've come. It's quite easily just because you do it in small trips, it's just kind of everyday life for me, resuming, but we've had some adventures. And as yesterday proved, even if it's nothing to do with you yourself, every day's interesting up here. With the snow and the ice, finding water. But it's a challenge, and you gotta like a challenge. If life's too easy, you know, you never improve without challenge and learning. So it's a good place to be. And as I say, the best bit is it's quiet. Like, yes, you have some people like in this spot now, but I'm sure there are lovely people or person. I think that's a lock that's frozen, but I don't know. It certainly looks very flat. It's a bit slippy. Right, I'm going to carry on walking. I'll see if we can get to the big lock, because this is this little lock, and this is the big lock. Lock! I know the correct pronunciation, it's just hard to say when everyone says lock. A lock to me is on a canal. That's what that is. Anyway, let's go down there. Snowy swim, anyone? It's just beautiful here though. This morning you could see the mountains over there. There was almost a sunrise. Now it's just thick cloud and snow. But it's beautiful. It really is. Right, let's not waste any more time. Let's head back to the van. And I'll catch you guys on the road. Ice, but you don't know until you put it up. I don't think there's any water. I hope not. It's a 14 plate. Crazy. These on over there. I've been faffing around for so long getting like washing bags ready and everything. It's snowed even more. You now can't even see the tyre tracks. that I came in from. So yeah, I mean look, it's quite deep. So hopefully we'll be alright. So I was mainly worried about this bit because it's a hill, not that you can really tell. But yeah, she did it. Apart from coming around this corner again, the front tyres. I reckon if I had the Michelins on the front, I'd be sorted. Anyone coming to Scotland and has 15-inch rims or twin wheels or any weird tyre size, go for the Michelins because the BFs don't make them. And to be honest, I think I prefer them. Onwards to get some wood on the way to Fort William because I'm pretty much out. It's coming down. They're proper like nice snowflakes. I don't know if I can capture them, but I'm just getting covered. It's not too cold to be fair. I think it's about 0 degrees, but it doesn't feel too cold because again it's still. If there was a wind, oh, it'd be brutal. That's what I've learned. Cold's not that bad until there's a wind. Then it's brutal. Robins and birds flying everywhere. Just love it. Okay, right, well let's head off and hope for the best. Oh, bit of spinning. Not too bad. We're off, saying goodbye to our neighbours I never met. And yeah, let's be off and up the hill. Well, it appears we don't want to. Oh, I got something sticking. Handbrake shoes is frozen, maybe? I was fine a second ago. Oh, why is it so eventful? I thought that bit would be the hard bit, but no, that was apparently the easy bit. Why have I got one-wheel drive? But you would have heard it. We're on our way! Again, you can't plan these things. Scotland just is eventful. Things happen. And it's a challenge to get out of the car park, but it's fun. I love it. Again, let's not go over 30 because the roads aren't great. This road was fine last night, but we've had so much snow now. Oh, I say so much, 10 centimetres. Literally driving through a snowstorm. Fort William, 38 miles. Proper blizzard, snow, almost a blizzard we're driving through now. It's probably what I'm going to call this video. Been in here today. I don't want to get stuck again. I'll just park there, it should be alright. Sorry about the haziness, shit got in the lens and it's pissing me off now. The one time I clean the camera and then it all goes tits up. Anyway, probably just park there. I got 5 metre long branches and a bag full. Snowy beast. I'll tell you the truth there. I cut 3 of them and got a bag full, planned to get the other 2 and forgot, so I had to drive all the way back. I got like 7 minutes down the road, so I've added on like 15-20 minutes, but it's alright. I've got to do laundry and fitting this burner tomorrow. So yeah, absolutely terrible. I can't wait to get to my destination. 25 miles an hour. Terrible. I was speaking to It's a girl called Chelsea. She's on Instagram. I'm going to fit a burner. She's also got YouTube, which she's going to try and start again. So we'll see. She said I might encourage her. But she's been living up here, and she said the Cairngorms maintains and ploughs the roads a lot better than the West Coast and here, Port William area. Well, Port Augusta's where I am now, but same council, Highland Council, as opposed to Cairngorm National Park Council, I guess. But yeah, these haven't been gritted or ploughed in hours and hours, and there's loads of traffic, and they need a fucking plough. Like, this is no joke. Everyone's going like 30 miles an hour, apart from the 4x4, like that one. He was probably going 40. Anyway, I won't bore you with road talk. Let's get to Fort William. Oh, I've just realised there's a lock to my right. Not many views, might as well be driving at night. This lorry in front is clearing most of the snow off the road for me. Fast enough, my blowers aren't demisting the windscreen, so apologies if it's a bit misty down there. Wow, I've never seen anything like this in Scotland. Reminds me of watching like Ash's videos when he has to go out during a snowstorm. Bloody hell, I want the van back in front of me. It shows me where the road is. We have made it to Fort William. Now we just need to make it to the laundrette. I don't know why we're going 10 miles an hour now. Thing to note, actually, let me turn those music wipers off. I remember my friend Richie, as I was coming up, you may have remembered I popped by his on the way up, filmed a bit of his van. He said as you go far to the west and north and into the Highlands, you'll see like 2 languages on the signs, which are, I can't remember the name of the Scottish, oh what is it, Scottish, it's on the tip of my tongue, but I can't remember, but it's like the, you know, the Welsh, where you've got 2 of everything. I've just noticed it on this sign. I haven't really seen it before, but maybe I wasn't paying attention. I'd just like to say all the times we have like down in England, the snow day and everything's shut, nobody goes to work. Look at all this traffic, everybody is going about their day. Because they know how to drive, and it's just a little bit of snow, and all you got to do is go very slowly. Made it to Cole Laundrette over there, or Cowell, or however you say it. Look how deep the snow is. It's like there's definitely 5 to 10 centimetres there. Let's see the front of Rose. Why is mine the only number plate that's showing? Why is it cleared just there? I just realised why I'm not getting any air through the vents. It's all blocked by snow. If I clear that, I'm not going to do it with my bare hands because they'll go numb. But if I clear that, then I should get some air through. Look at that light bar. What light bar? Look at this though. It's like snow for a couple of hours, an hour or two, fine. Heavy snow for pretty much the whole day. I mean look, I don't know if the GoPro makes it out, it doesn't. This literally looks like one of those Winter Wonderland pictures. It's perfect, it's just dusty snow. And yeah, Google Maps is saying the traffic is red just because everyone's going 15-20 miles an hour. So yeah, I'm going to top up some fuel because as per usual, Rose likes to drink it all. And then back to put my washing on the drying. That piece of snow is going to fall off any minute. I honestly, I can't portray it well enough on camera, but it's pretty mad, the snow. Look, it's starting to clear, you can see. I need to get rid of this bit of snow though, because I almost can't see. But yeah, look at the view. Look at that. The clouds have cleared and the sun's coming out. You can see the view! Look at that kind of mountain that's still in the clouds. Look at that view. Bloody beautiful. Look at that sunrise colour. Look at the colours in the sky. And over there, look at them. All the snow on the trees. Oh, it's beautiful. It's fucking beautiful. There's Ben Nevis over there as well. It's old Ben over there. Yeah, it's beautiful. And there's a stream just down there. Or river, even. Whoa, keep that cold out. It's not far off -10, I think it's about -7, -8. Oh, it's beautiful though. The camera actually died, so I'm re-recording this. But I was just saying that it feels like we're fucking living in a postcard. Like, it's beautiful. Beautiful! I was chatting with Chels last night, and apparently, like, she's never seen it this snowy, so it's even more special that it's like a one-off, you know? If it's not this, like, you know, you get sprinkling, but never like proper 10-15 centimetres like we got now. And just the mountains and the snow, and it's just all so pretty. But yeah, I'm fitting a burner today because fucking she's sleeping in -10. She's mad staying in that van without any heat. Anyway, we'll get the burner in, and yeah, my burner stayed through last night, which was good. Woke up and it was like 12 degrees, so it felt pretty warm, to be fair. Yeah, but I won't bore you too much. I've got loads of pictures to edit from the NC500 that I haven't got done because I just haven't had time, because it was like spending time with Matt and exploring, and then like now I was just driving yesterday, and now spending time with more friends, and it's just like I don't have time to edit any pictures or videos. I'm falling behind on it all, but I'm just enjoying it and recording it, and then, you know, I can edit the pictures another time, but I can't take them another time, so yeah. Just enjoying it. But anyway, as I say, I won't bore you for too long. I got that stuff to do, so I'll catch you in a bit when we're fitting a log burner. One thing quickly, I had the diesel heater on while I was driving all day yesterday to stop the temperature dropping. And if I don't have it on, the humidity on the right there gets up to like 60%. But it was at about 50% with the diesel heater running. And then you stick the burner on and it just drops to 40%. Like, the diesel heater can never do that, so if you're looking for a dry heat for the winter, you just can't get any better than the log burner. It's just ticking over. It's not actually, it's going pretty high. But as you saw, it was only 16 degrees in there, but that's fine, because when it's so cold outside, that feels warm. Just look at my view though. What a fucking view! What a view! This area is beautiful. The tree's fallen over. Yeah.
All of those were all the way down and on top of all this.
That one's fresh.
lovely sunny morning, which I didn't film. It's now snowing again. And we got sun over there. Well, blue skies. So I fitted a burner yesterday. And today we're heading off to Glen Coe. So yeah, we'll see what Glen Coe's like in the snow. It's now stopped snowing again and the rain's come out. There's Chels over there. So we made it to Glen Coe area. Some may recognise the spot. It's not a very, it's quite a well-known one, but it's bloody awesome. Again, just the mountains, they just don't look bloody real. The camera never gets it, but fucking hell. It's beautiful around here. We're going to go on a little walk, and I'll probably take you guys along, but it's getting dark now. And yeah, burners are on. 2 burners. The tree's growing through the rock.
Aye. It's probably because one of the acorns has fallen off these big ones on the top, lodged itself inside, and because there's loads of moss and shit, it's... Yeah. Is this the rock?
I don't know, is it?
There's a sign there, I'd assume so. You have the thing falling over, bro. What is it?
Look at that mountain.
Off it really hurt my hand.
Signal Rock.
That's when the massacre was. Some people like to read this shit. I also do, but I can't hear this.
Yeah, I've read some of them. They're really interesting, but it is a lot to read.
Oh, it was the McDonald's.
Oh, there's
It's
a thing there.
That's because it would have all of that moss.
Yeah. Yeah, the snow kind of covers its beauty. We're going to go up.
I can't see the mountain.
Not on the video.
Wow.
Ah, we're on Signal Rock. Do we have signal?
That there is the path.
Oh, look at that.
That one there is the path that I was on about.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's the only problem with this spot.
It's pure ice.
I didn't even learn though, bro. Down here is wood, so be careful.